Hey, this is Matt at Coastal Compass, and we are your Sandals Resorts and Beaches Resorts experts. Today we're going to be showing you a tour of one of the Rondovals at Sandals South Coast. I can't wait to show you what this room looks like. If you'd like to book it yourself, please use the affiliate link in our show notes. That really helps us out. And if you have more questions about the resort before you book, go to our website and click Contact Us. I'm happy to help you out. Let's go. You're absolutely going to love these Rondovals. They're some of our favorite accommodations that Sandals offers. Going in, you'll see that you have a huge bathroom. You have a tub with a skylight above it. You have a huge shower. On one side, you have the sink. On the other side, you have a space where you can look in the mirror, do makeup, get ready, and a huge closet. Moving into the bedroom, you have a king-sized bed, a living area with a large TV and a couch. And then going out onto the porch, you have your own private plunge pool that you can use at any time, and then your own swim up area complete with chairs, and you can hang out there all day, secluded, all on your own. All of these Rondovals are connected by one long river, but it's still very secluded. You'll love the experience. Again, if you want to book this, feel free to use our affiliate link. That really helps us out in the show notes. And if you have some questions and want help, please go to our website and click Contact Us. We'll reach out shortly.